Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Look at that. Alright, okay guys. Remember, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough for them. And they want sound. Alright guys, I also want to do the video in Spanish. Voy a hacer el video al final en español. Alright guys, this is a stihl MS250. Okay, this baby came without this. I have the muffler. In case you're new in my store, you know I always take out the muffler. I have the muffler and the handle doesn't come. I'm gonna use my handle, okay, to do it. I have more of these machines. I have a few of them. Don't fight for it. I got more in case of anything. We're gonna throw a little gas to see where we are. We wanna put the handle. We wanna try the coil, you know, like I always do. All right, let's begin. All right. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let me put down the music a little bit. She goes by herself up. It's like the owner, a little grand. Alright, you see there, I'm gonna start moving, guys. The inside we're gonna see that much because the light is not hitting that good, but when I throw the flash, it's gonna be better. Or maybe from the top. Alright. It's close. Let me show you a little bit of the flywheel. You see how it looks. I'm gonna do a test. Alright, you got a coil here. A little dirty. Remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged machine. This machine is not good. It's for parts. Parts. Okay? Thank you. Don't forget that. For parts, not to be fixed. Alright, you can see from here a little better because the light is hitting. Okay. Alright, that's the best I can do. Let me close it, let that one don't get ahead. We have on these sides, remember it didn't come with a cover, we got the springs, it looks good. You got a clutch there. I hope everything is fine. I don't know if, well, it doesn't have the thing. Alright, let's do the shot. Remember, I put back the muffler when I finish and I put everything back and I throw some pictures. The handle is my handle doesn't come. Let's go. See where we are. You see, you can see me there. Wait, let me change it on the other position. Yeah, I know, I have to get a better stuff. I know. Alright, let's put the handle. I always, what I love about these machines, they give me a hard time. I'm just gonna put 3, I don't wanna put 4 left. I already can feel it. She has a good kick. That's why I like it, this machine. They always have a good kick. Alright, let me see where you at. Alright. I was moving. My bad. I thought I was in the right position. Alright. Let's see if we can pick a little from the top. No, it will be a little impossible. Alright, let's close it. Alright guys, I'm gonna put it on with a spark plug. My spark plug, not yours, it's mine. Alright. You see me there? All right, everything's looking good so far. What happened? Why you don't come over here, my baby? Oh, I think I got him with a. My bad. I think I got him with a. Yep. All right, we got him loose. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna see it with a spark plug, right? Wow. That's right. Yeah, right. Woo. Yeah, I feel a lot of compression here, guys. All right, let's throw some gas here. Maybe, who knows? Maybe she would do the job. I don't have that much here, but I'm gonna throw a little bit there. Throw him the good stuff. I always use a filter inside these things, like a little filter like that. Any dirty stuff will not go inside. I always do that. I don't know if it's enough gas, but let's see. Who knows? Let me use one of my. This is mine. Look at it. All right. All right. Let's put a little of the liquid. The magic liquid, you know. All right, we want to go this way now. You see me? All right, let's see what we got. Okay, loose ears are like in choke. Wow. That's a kick right there, guys. Wow. Woo. Calm down, little one. Calm down. The muffler's off. Oh, my ears. Wow. Okay, calm down. Woo. Alright, guys. You see there? This baby came back to the dead. And look how she did it in a fashion way like the stihl does when things are made the right way. Beautiful moment. Guys, this doesn't come. And this is for parts. Even the machine starts. That means only the flywheel works, the coil works. The rest is for parts. Doesn't mean anything. It sounds good. Yeah, that I can tell you. But it is for parts. Why? Because it's a broken machine. It's a damaged machine. Okay? Was looking here for the oil, but I didn't check if it has oil. Let me take a pic. I should have put. Oh no, it's not oil. If I put oil, I should have put, but it takes a lot of times, guys. I know you want more from me. I receive your emails and everything, but my God, look at that, boss. I have so much to put that I don't have the time. And I'm only one-man army. I wish I could do more, but this is what we got. All right, guys, remember, this one doesn't come. This is mine. I'm going to take the gas. This is mine. This is not yours. All right. Any questions, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my eBay store. Whatever you want to do is the best. Like that you can see when I put videos. That will be YouTube. It would send you the message. Thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno mi gente, ya saben, ya vieron la niña cómo está, peligrosa. Recuérdense que esto no viene en caso que ustedes sean nuevos en mi tienda. Esto no viene, déjenme ponerle para atrás la tapita para hacer la explicación, para que después no hagan quejas, que en español no hago las cosas. Esto no viene, recuérdense si usted es nuevo, yo siempre zafo el muffler, zafo todo para que puedan ver mejor. Y recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Estas máquinas están rotas, son máquinas con problemas, se ve para partes. Si está pensando en arreglarla, está cometiendo un error. Aunque se vean tan bonitas como esta, tengo que admitirlo, mira qué cosa más linda. Wow. Loca por encontrar una casa, alguien que la quiera, que te dé cariño. No te preocupes, mi niña. Bueno, ahí tienen mi gente. Ya saben, pongo el mofle, tiro para atrás la foto. Viene sin la ladera y viene sin la bujilla, que siempre se las quito. Y le pongo ahí las partecitas que tengo y tiro fotos. Si les gusta lo que estoy haciendo, suscríbanse a mi canal o apriétame un like. En YouTube también se pueden suscribir para que vean los videos que yo los subo primero, para que vean ya lo que voy a sacar. Bueno, mi gente, que se una a la raza.